guess we don't come back and we get another very casual guest for inside the building. Before we come out, I've been telling us, say, if you know, say, they try bomb picking or if they get issues, you're going to go body with us. The person we get now, it go by the name Olajide Wilson, and in specialize in IVF, what they call in vitro fertilization for women, maybe say they don't actually fit conceive by themselves. Welcome. Naturally.
Thank you.
How you doing?
I didn't say clutter.
Quimby get one particular question to ask.
She don't itch to ask.
Quimby. Yeah.
Okay, you know, say because of your work and so many, they don't they come on these days. They see young girls at the age of 30. They don't they try to born picking and they know if he born children. Yesterday, me and somebody they talk and he can't tell me say the hospital where they work actually they donate specimen so that women with their husband no they strong enough. They go feel gift to the woman so that she go feel collect belly. I can't say, as Nigerian, your family people go think, say, no be your picking. Is that right?
Well, yeah, that kind of thing, ethical thing, we be say, waiting they right for your own side. If they wrong for another person's side. And based on some religious beliefs, some people go feel think, say, well, to collect that kind of thing from another person. It's, but before you reach that level, because you go get where, that's why IVF did to assist people. Because when that, the thing we man they produce, when, you know, most of the time, waiting we see, waiting women they see, no being be the thing where they cause the picking. There are some tiny organisms where they call sperm. Where they inside that semen. So when people see, they just believe, say, this one thick, this one, you know, but no be harm. So until you assess waiting the inside that thing, where you know if you see with your eye, now you go come talk, say, okay, this man go need assistance. And that's why the IVF, the way they say, if that thing is small, you still feel assistance, help the sperm, make the sperm enter the egg. Before the thing can fertilize, you can't do other things.
So, as much as actually talk,
as much as I get advantages and disadvantages, I know say advantages plenty for this thing. What will be those disadvantages for IVF? Because I know say everybody repeats, if you know if you born picking, use IVF, but what will be those disadvantages?
Not really. We don't really get, you know, for medical issues, they get your own risk when you go through. It's just like person will go born. Person will go born. Yes, now good thing, but you get the risk attached to. Because if you go through IVF, you go use some drugs and things like so. They need to monitor
the person.
Monitor you. There are some people who get polycystic ovaries, where they say they just give them small drugs. If they're not they careful, the person if he just collapse, you know, if he end up in another thing. So you need to, but looking at the babies, children who then they produce for IVF, there's no, for now, no research has really shown that they are normal children like the one where they do inside our,
normal one.
Because,
the normal one where
because a lot of people, they come outside and say IVF babies are synthetic. You know, always say they be fake children. They be fake children. Say they not actually be the normal. I thank God say you don't come outside and talk, say, no, say not actually the same thing like they be. No, but one particular question where I just want to ask, say, because I don't hear people they talk, say, IVF, even with the way we take cost, sometimes they cost like 1 point something. Say, that one time, so you want try them, no be guarantee, say the pikin go stay for inside your belly. I just want, since you actually there and not true, say that first time when you try them, say not be 100% guarantee, say the thing go enter.
Not true, Yan. What thing happen be say, even for our room where they do them, no be one time. You know, those people where they try, they don't try them many times. Where the thing no work. So if you come clinic, where would they try? What thing they do? We believe that they use the knowledge of science, but now God's thing they do the thing. You understand? When we walk, we try to do the best for you. We assess you, you know, but we'll do our own part. So, but no guarantee. Even if you do it 30 times, no guarantee. But the thing where they there, we say, as you they do them another time, we they look at, okay, which area will not touch when we do the first one. We'll try to improve. So the chances of getting pregnant, maybe the third time is much higher because, okay, this thing, okay, go and do more tests, go and do. So even if you do it 10 times, guarantee no day.
And you go to pay all the time when you do and the 10 times they do.
Because all the time we they buy waiting, then they take go and do.
All right, me I go ask, at which stage woman, because I just discovered, say, you get one checkup where women supposed to do, HSG, Abi?
HSG, I think.
HSG. Yeah, you go first do HSG. Now, when HSG no can work, that's that one. Then before you can think of other method. And I discovered that HSG is very painful. But at which stage you go there worried, say, okay, you know if you can't.
When you go begin they worry. Now, when you don't reach, maybe you don't they try they conceive, you don't they reach 6 months, you don't they reach 1 year. On where they do the normal thing without protection, and they use any form of contraceptives, and then if you don't reach 1 year, you need to start doing tests like the one where you talk. Yes, it is painful, but maybe only when you block 9 person will do IVF. There are other things like the one where you mentioned when the man sperm count they very low.
Okay.
They need to help assist the sperm, because the idea about IVF is trying to help the sperm to get into the egg.
Yes.
If the sperm no plenty reach, you no go plenty to even reach where the egg dey. So pregnancy no go fit occur. So if you come now to assist that sperm, make it enter the egg. And there are other people that have different issues, even ovarian depletion, whereby as age they go, where we say the quality of egg, go fit compare them with person where they like 20, 25. So women they try, but then you go just encourage them, it's better to just do investigation early. After 6 to 1 year, you're having challenges. You do different type of tests. You do semen analysis. They check the ovaries. Some women, maybe the ovary itself, So there are a lot of issues where we say you go come check. When all those things, they don't check all the areas. Some na fibroid. Maybe say you don't big. You don't cover where the womb dey. So even if the egg fertilize, when they do normal inside house, nowhere on the wall of the womb where the embryo self go
get
chance hook. So some go need. So means as I say fibroid, every person will begin look for small fibroid to come out, because even that itself, removing fibroid no mean say it increases chances of. It is when it's actually inevitable. Where we say you just need to remove them, because some dey small where we say affect the surface of the womb. So there might not be need for you to remove it.
But everybody gets parts of the womb. Everybody gets that fibroid or something.
Not be everybody, but the prevalence is higher in this side of our own world.
Okay, but Wilson, if they say the last question. If they say fibroid day 2.2, it means say you don't you go need to worry. He say the person say 2.2. Actually, a friend go check herself. And they say, oh, you get like something like 2.2, that's 2.2 centimeter or something. Damn. That's the language where she relates to me. And she did worried. Not time to worry with that? Or?
Yes, I can't really say not time to worry, because it depends where it is.
Okay.
It depends when, as I talk, if where the fibroid is, it affect the womb. And because even if you get belly, if as the pikin they grow, if the fibroid no dey, as in it's not a threat to the baby, if you no get need to remove them. But now it depends where the fibroid dey. Now they come they tell you say whether I need to worry, I need to maybe I should. Because if you remove fibroid, it just be like person wound. That surface where you remove, you don't reduce the surface area where the pikin self fit hook.
Oh, okay.
So all those things, all of them. So that's why removing fibroid, maybe something maybe say I get fibroid, go remove them.
Wow.
Okay, Wilson, I want to actually ask you, because I be person maybe say I like to believe say some kind of things they possible to avoid them. So for young ladies, maybe say then they grow and they never actually reach this stage of say okay, they actually no fit get belly by natural means. What can be those precautions where they go take at the young age? Because with the era of plenty of contraceptives, plenty of different rich way we say girls they do at their young age out of naivety. So what can them fit do to prevent this issue of say when they grow they'll come they find IVF or find one thing or the other?
I think more just you eat well, you know, as in healthy living. You chop better food, maybe all the parapo, you know, some obesity in a part of problems for IVF. And at the same time, all these agbo jedi, agbo this, agbo, all these concussion.
Yes.
That kind of thing too, they affect. Some of them, and some are infection too. So, and most of these people say they visit quack
doctors or
you get
people.
small infection. Instead we go hospital. You go say, make them give you, you go chemist, you say, make them give you this. So that untreated things, if it affects the fallopian tube, where we say it will cause the thing to block. Even if they affect for men, you go see some men, they say, when I was 50% get belly for me. But now, nothing there inside that thing, baga, nothing there. But some of these things now, infections and also alcohol, to an extent, you need to reduce intake of. So, all join, the thing be say, may you live healthy life, everything in moderacy, and anything that relates to health. Me, I always say, go hospital, visit the right people. No sit down for house. They say they do Ebola, yes, that kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. So you actually enter inside our studio to talk about this one, because that's something where we all need to talk about. You understand? One person for who will be the person?
No, I can actually ask you this question.
No,
maybe
you've been
talk something about the sperm of a man.
Okay.
So I want to actually ask you, because just now you say maybe when the man's sperm not reach, they're going to need to actually help and boost them. So now, to get Belena about the quality of the sperm or the quantity.
Joy. To get belly, normal by WHO. Now, I don't know what they happen now. We be say our sperm count they drop. Maybe now our life
for this side of the country,
maybe worldwide, generally everywhere. But now it's about 15 million per meal, as in the count.
Okay.
For normal forms of maybe like from anything like 4% upward. But if there are some, you see, this thing no be saying now one strict rules. You see, woman and man they complement. You go see one man where they boast, they brag outside, but now the woman they help him. Because in teen no be say he's strong like that. But the woman
some men think say now because they're strong.
Then
why you know say because the woman calm down, now he actually help. I think say now because he gets strength too.
The woman body they very active.
Yes, so some sperm will be say as in they are not that the density no day that much. But the woman is very fertile. He did much fertile. So you know go be like say problem day. And at the same time, some women too, they are not that fertile, but the man sperm are champion. So you can't compliment the.
You know what? Waiting, as in your presence here alone, they raise a lot of questions in the mind of plenty people. Even for our control room, that they ask us plenty things for us to ask you. But thanks a bunch for you actually coming to our studio. But before you come out, I know say you don't actually come in one way or the other. But Amaka could just ask you now directly so that we could get your own opinion. Our cocoa of the day.
Yes, a cocoa of the day. At what stage make woman they worried about getting married or getting pregnant?
What stage?
At what stage?
That marriage part we put,
You know
what society. Like this our society now. 30, say if you don't clock 30, say you be woman, your time don't they go.
Your count go. No, not what they thought saying medically. Medically, your chances to just quickly carry belly, you go hard. So now
anything from 35.
Okay.
Wow.
The air quality start to drop. You know, but the rate we with day fertile different from each other. Even some people below 30, they're already having egg issues, ovarian issues. But averagely, anything from 35 upward is supposed to somehow get small concern to walk towards.
So maybe they look at getting married before 30,
before 35.
Before 35.
You know, if you marry before 35, so at least if they begin try at 35, you know,
then she will start to get worried.
Okay.
But I don't think saying as something way. But as things they unfold now, there are new technology. Maybe say you never want marry now. If you when you're young, if you keep your egg, freeze them. When you reach that time, if the one way you get be like say. You know, you feel bring them out, you know.
Thank you so much. You actually answered that one, but we get body kajad.
Yes, body kajad. Body kajad, because I feel like someone could keep on.
More keep them for Friday, Abby. More keep body kajad for Friday.
Because the question not agree do me to ask finish, because so many things they go through my head.
Make you just read tweets then.
I appreciate your presence.
Okay, we don't get tweets from different people. Person say, Farisa say when you begin they reach 30 years, you know, say it be like say your life don't they end. So before 30 might be the best time for you to actually marry.
But another person, our society decides say until you marry before you get pikin. If actually pikin they very important. If I never get husband, then I feel still go meet doctor, give me pikin and carry since pikin na problem. Because now when you burn something else, now it be problem.
I feel our society, they actually detect, some of us, they allow society dictate how we want to live our life. Because with the days very scared, say, oh, if I carry belly, society go embarrass and they go. But I don't see people where they say they haven't born picking, even without marriage, and they're doing very, very well. Yeah. So you don't need. Yes, they get some kind of societal value where you need to actually incorporate for your life. Better. But not be all the things that you will actually take.
Good.
Not be everything. I beg more tests.
As someone that say, to marry and get belly na thing of the mind, when you know say you don't actually dey ready for them, now that time you go actually decide say you want do them.
What about when you get ready to get belly? I don't know of couple. I don't know of couple where they say they're married, they talk say we need to enjoy ourselves. And then 1 year, 2 years, they enjoy themselves. So when time reach for them to carry belly, I'm serious. When time reach for them to get belly is not calm.
It's true. Then give person important person for wedding fried fish. They don't give them fresh fish. Finally, no time on our side. At Linton, in contact say time to get married now. Actually, time where you go think by yourself. But to get belle, it depends on the fertility. I don't understand. The fertility of the
maybe the
person.
fertile, how you take the whether you dey fertile of the person.
Fertile of the person.
And now if the person dey fertile enough. You know what? All right. Be like say time don't wish for us to actually come out because I don't understand a lot of things. I'm not saying you don't hear to the happen for the past one.
You saw say you know yeah. If you didn't hear us small, you didn't hear anything.
For the very first time, our producers they tell us say we get time.
We get.
Oh really?
Let me say they really bad the guest.
We don't want to use them.
Yeah,
we go talk about.
We go push out body kajad.
Who watch that body kajad?
If you get any question, what you need to ask you get email,
social media,
or social media.
Olajide Rene Wilson on Facebook. Olajide W at on Twitter.
Okay. At Olajide W.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us. And if we get any issue or anybody get issue with the Twitter, we go direct to you.
All right. Time that we for us to come out for Inside the Studio. Thanks a bunch to all those where they join body with us. We're gonna meet you tomorrow. Will be our old school day.
Woo!
My name still remains Ibi Ehigiamusoe. Get better day.
Wow, my name still remains Betty and I'm really not the change.
And my name is Namaka Okuja for Thursday at school. Oh my gosh!
And as we always they talk,
so talk no be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.